Andy from Preston Superstore and Berkshire Schools. Today I would like to explain what is going to be taking place in the buses this year for the safety and health of the students and the drivers that are driving these buses. Let's take a look inside. We installed the sanitizers in the front of the bus, so when the students get on the bus, they can get some hand sanitizer, rub it in, and go safely back to their seats. The drivers will be wearing facial protection. We are placing students between seats 3 and 4 to the back of the bus, 2 per seat. After every route, the school has purchased these electrostatic sanitizing stations, which will be sprayed in the buses 4 times a day. The theory behind this electrostatic sprayer is that the solution that comes out is positively charged, so when it hits a surface, it will actually wrap around the surface and get into those nooks and crannies that most normal spray sanitizers cannot do. As a reminder, the school will be starting on September 8th, so all the buses will be out in full force. I would like to remind all the motorists, you see the red lights flashing on a bus, please stop, because the safety of our students is our #1 priority. At Preston Superstore, everyone is proud to take pride in our community, and keeping our children safe is our #1 priority. And we would just like to say, have a great school year.